boyfriend. No. I know where the pans are. I'm not afraid. Plus, I'm a woman, so the legal system is bound to be in my honor. In my honor, if something happens. A very big, broken system, you know, for now. But we are, at least in this country, law is getting a bit better towards domestic violence against both partners, because not, you know, it's not only men that hits other people, sadly. It could be no one. It could be no one, no violence. What would you think life without Earth, without violence would look like? Really? Nothing? Really? The last orange with 2x was 10x's? What do you want to know about my life? Is there anything specific? I mean, I'm in my early 20s. I moved out of my parents at the age of 18 when I finished high school. I have my driver's license on my second year. Well, I finished my second year of law studies and 3 years left. I have a boyfriend. We've been together for almost 2.5 years. We live together as well, because rent is cheaper if you divide it by 2, and everything else is cheaper as well if you divide it by 2. So yeah. That's that. I mean, my hobbies, I can talk about my hobbies, but they're not exactly very fun. I like baking bread and Sudoku. I like watching films. The last movie that I watched was Thor. Yeah, Thor. Marvel. I'm starting to watch like the Marvel universe. Waterproof necklace. A necklace is always good, Katie. A necklace is always good. We were actually talking about necklaces. But, yeah, I watched Thor. So far, I'm 4 movies into the Marvel universe. I watched both parts of Iron Man, 2 parts of Iron Man. I don't know how many are there. Sorry. I watched Hulk, and then Thor. And the next one is going to be Captain America, the First Avenger. Hi, FFFFF. Hello. Hello, Diggy. Diggy Dave. Ma? Hi. Welcome, everyone. How are you doing? How's your day going, and what is up with you? I am watching. Not watching movies. Marvel Universe, the whole thing, you know? Alright, we got 200 excess maximum for big oranges. Let's go and see what's our cash going to be. Look at that beauty. 5x worth of fish coming right up. Sorry, give me a second. Opa! Got her. Alright, so let's go get her out. How are we doing? You're not gonna jump back into the water? No? You good? For real? Okay, I'm gonna let you go then. Alright, congratulations. We got 15x worth of fish. And 4,330 winners for just win. Best awesome like everyone and have fun as well. But no, I'm not in the movie. I just watched the no movies are out there with me. I haven't been filmed unless it's some sort of game show. Then maybe you can see me, but that's about it. It's getting cold in here. Finally. Sai, hi, how are you doing? What's up? Thank you. Thank you for the compliments, Tori. But yeah, so far still through the through the Marvel universe, the whole movies, the 4 movies that I watched, Iron Man is the funniest. Is the most interesting so far. The both parts are the most interesting so far. Yeah, but tonight, can I speak? Crazy. Hi, Sean, hello. Welcome. But yeah, I mean, I was told that Captain America is gonna be fun and interesting, so maybe. Happy birthday, Bingo. Elbaraz, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi. Hello. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Hi. How are you doing? Hi, Loki. Is there anything specific you would like me to talk about? I'm getting hungry. Cannot wait to be done in here. Hi, Loki. Hi. I don't use social media. I have the TalkTick app, but I don't even have an account on there because I only check recipes and ideas for dinner. Sourdough recipes, like sourdough recipes for dinner.